I must go now. Arthur, take care of the kids and the kitchen.
Don't worry, honey. I am the master chef today.
Yay!
Freedom!
Yay!
All right, team, look at me. Time to put on the magic apron. Watch this.
To the kitchen, march!
Left, right, left.
Wait for me.
Welcome to Dad's restaurant.
Are you hungry? Yes, Chef.
Very hungry. Tonight, we are making the ultimate fluffy pancakes. Are we ready?
Yes, we are!
First stop, the cold treasure box.
Open it, Dad. Wow, so bright.
Let's find the milk. Found it. Fresh milk.
Great job, Dad. Milk.
And here are the eggs. Careful, Oliver.
I got it, Dad. 2 hands.
Now, where is the big bag of flour? Ah, up here.
Flour! We found the flour! Yippee!
Heavy bag incoming. Milk, eggs, flour. All here. Team, let's start.
Ready. Ready.
Steady, Oliver. Pour it gently into the bowl.
Look at the white cloud, Dad.
Who wants to crack the first egg?
Me! Me! I can do it.
Gently, Chloe. Tap it on the edge.
Like this, Dad? Uh-oh, sticky fingers.
You have a yellow, messy hand.
That's okay, sweetheart.
Watch a pro, Chloe. Boom.
Perfect shot, Oliver.
Now, add the golden melted butter.
Smells so good.
Yummy. Are we ready to mix?
Let's mix it up!
Watch me, kids. Round and round it goes.
Spin, spin, spin. My turn. 1, 2, 3. Faster, Oliver, faster! It's so heavy, Dad. I can't move it.
You can do it, Chloe.
Use your muscle. Let me help you, Chloe. Go, team, go.
That's it. Strong teamwork.
Oliver, you have white batter on your cheek. Wait, where?
And a little bit for Chloe, too.
Oh no, my nose.
Double messy. Perfect. The pancake batter is ready. Look at that.
Smooth and creamy.
Okay, team, step back. The stove is getting hot.
Safety first.
Listen to that. Sizzle, sizzle.
It's dancing.
Here comes the big ladle. 1, 2, pour.
Look, Dad. Little bubbles. Pop, pop, pop.
Yes, that means it's cooking. Time for the master flip. Ready, team?
Don't drop it, Dad.
Flip and catch.
Wow! Yay, Dad!
Pancake number 1 is done. Who wants a bite?
Me first. No, me.
And here comes number 2. Stack it up.
2 pancakes. 3, 4.
It's growing.
We need more pancakes. And...
Number 5 on top. Easy now.
Oh no! It's leaning!
Don't fall.
Whew. It stopped moving. We are safe.
That was close.
Behold, the tallest pancake tower in the world.
It's a pancake mountain.
It looks so delicious.
Look what I found. Sweet strawberry syrup.
Yes, red syrup. Are you ready for the sweet rain?
Yes! Pour it, Dad.
Oh, look at that. It's starting to pour.
It's a red river.
A super sweet river. The more, the better.
And a giant strawberry on top. Perfect. Wow, it looks beautiful.
Behold, the Master Pancake Tower is complete.
We did it.
We did it! Careful now. Let's bring our treasure to the dining table.
Clear the way. It smells like sweet strawberries everywhere.
The scent of victory, kids. Mission accomplished. Welcome to the dining room.
Time to eat.
Forks ready, my little soldiers. Take your weapons.
Yellow for me.
Pink for me. The big strawberry is mine.
No, it's mine. I put it there.
Hold on, team. One big strawberry splits into two. Magic. First slice for the Princess Chloe. Catch it!
Yay! Thank you, Chef Bo.
And double layers for the hungry champ Oliver.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, Dad.
And the last layers for the master chef. We did it, crew!
You are the best cook. Huh? What is that? The door.
Is Mom back early? Shh. Everyone, be very quiet.
Is it a monster?
No, it's Mommy.
Hello? Why is it so quiet in here? Oh dear. What happened to my clean kitchen?
It wasn't me.
It was Bo.
We wanted to surprise you with the ultimate fluffy pancakes.
A pancake surprise, huh? Ha ha! Look at your faces. You all look like little ghosts.
Here is a blue fork for you, Mom.
Thank you, Oliver. It looks delicious.
The master chef invites you. We eat first, and then we clean the kitchen together.
Yes, we do!
All right, cleanup team. Oliver, wipe the table. Chloe, dust the chairs.
Yes, Captain Dad.
Dusting time. Whoosh! The table cleaner train is coming. Super fast, Oliver.
Bye-bye, Dust. Go away.
Good girl, Chloe. So neat.
Look, a magic soap bubble. Catch it, team.
Wow, the kitchen is perfectly clean now. Inspection passed.
Mission complete, Captain Meh.
Hooray! We are the best cooking family.
Good night, everyone.
How is it, Clara? Is it edible?
It's incredibly soft and delicious.
We told you. We are Team Master Chefs. Team Fluffy Pancakes.
Thank you for trusting my messy kitchen, Clara.
Thank you for being a wonderful dad, Arthur.
To the most delicious disaster ever.
Cheers to family. Bye-bye. See you next time.